This dance is called I Promise. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance with 1 tack. Starting on the right foot, you're going to step the right forward, tap the left behind the right, shuffle back on that left, rock back on the right, and add on a right-footed kick, ball, cross, kick, ball, cross. That set of steps once more then. Step, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, shuffle, back, rock, kick, ball, cross. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross shuffle, right over left, cross, side, cross. Into a hinge half turn, so you're going to turn quarter turn right, you step back on that left, further quarter turn right, you step the right to the side. Then cross rock, left over right, recovering your weight on that right. That set of steps once more then, side rock, cross shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock. Let's add that to the top. Step, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, shuffle, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock. You're then going into some side touches. So you're going to step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Now the choreographer has actually suggested with these side touches that you lead into them with your shoulder. So side, touch, side, touch. You're then going to step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, and add on a left-footed cross shuffle, crossing the left over the right, right to the side, cross that left over the right again. That set of steps once more then, side touch off on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, cross, shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Step, touch off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, shuffle, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock, side, touch, side, close, cross, shuffle. You're going to step the right to the side, cross that left behind the right, make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right. Into a chase half turn, so you're going to step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right, step forward on the left again. And then a full turn over 2 steps. So half a turn left as you step back on the right, half a turn left as you step forward on that left. That set of steps once more then, side behind off on that right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, full turn. Now by virtue of its name, it is a full turn that you're doing right at the very end of the dance. Not only that, but you've also got 3/4 of a turn preceding it. So whilst the 3/4 is to the right and the full turn is to the left, some of you might actually find that okay. If not, there are 2 different things that you can do. So if you need to take the 3/4 out, side, behind, instead of turning right, turn left, quarter turn, you step back on that right, then rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on that left. That eliminates that 3/4. For the full turn, just replace it with a walk. So 2 different options there. Some of you might be able to do the 3/4, but not necessarily the full turn. Some of you might struggle with all of it. So there are options there for you to take those various different elements out, should you need to do so. Now, I will demonstrate that final full turn over those 2 steps whilst we're doing the walkthrough. I'll actually be doing the non-turning walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. So end of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Step, touch, up on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back shuffle, back rock, kick, ball, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock, side touch, side close, cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, full, turn. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Step, touch, up on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Step, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back shuffle, back rock, kick, ball, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock, side touch, side close, cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, full, turn, step, touch, back shuffle, back rock, kick, ball, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock, side touch, side close, cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, full, turn, step, touch, back shuffle, back rock, kick, ball, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock, side touch, side close, cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, full, turn. So that is your dance. Now we have got one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 3, so you will actually be facing 9 o'clock. Quite simply, your tag is a K-step with claps. So you step that right diagonally forward, touch the left beside the right and clap. The left goes back to where it came from, touch the right beside the left and clap. Right goes diagonally back, touch the left beside the right and clap. Left diagonally forward, touch the right beside the left and clap. K-step, single count timing. Just do that once more, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. So like I said, it comes at the end of wall 3. Wall 3 is your 6 o'clock wall. Let's have a go at wall 3. Add on your tag and restart the dance. Step, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back shuffle, back rock, kick, ball, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock, side touch, side close, cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, full turn, tag, step, touch, step, touch, restart, step, touch, back shuffle, back rock, kick, ball, cross. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. End of wall 3, K-step. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your tag information. Let's give it a go to the music.
I'll lay my cards down, never want our love to ever burn out. 'Cause at the end of the day, you are the best thing that's happened to me.
5, 6, 7, 8, step, touch, back shuffle, back rock, kick, ball, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock, side touch, side close, cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, full turn, step, touch, back shuffle, back rock, kick, ball, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, cross, rock, side touch, side curls, cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, full, turn, step, touch, back shuffle, back, rock, kick or cross, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, cross, rock, side touch, chin tag wall, side cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, full, turn, tag, kick, step. Step, touch, back shuffle, back, rock, kick or cross, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, cross, rock, side touch, cross shuffle, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, full, turn, step, touch. Side rock, side touch, side behind, step, touch. Side rock, side touch, side behind, step, touch, side rock, side touch, side behind, step, touch, side rock, side touch, side behind, hope you managed that one.